The rupee hit an all-time low for the second consecutive day, opening at 77.02 against the dollar. The petroleum minister finally broke his silence on the fuel price crisis, indicating there will be a fuel price hike as oil companies can't keep taking on the burden of globally rising prices.
इस पे निर्णय तो ऑयल कंपनीज लेंगी, पर इसमें ये कहना क्योंकि चुनाव के कारण हमने रोका हुआ था, ये बात मैं समझता हूं कि थोड़ी समझदारी से अनकनेक्टेड है. थोड़ा हो सकता है ये ऑयल कंपनीज को निर्णय लेना होगा, उनको भी तो सरवाइव करना है, उनके अंडर रिकवरीज होगी. पूरे आपको विश्वास इसलिए दिलाना चाहता हूं कि कोई तेल की कमी नहीं आने देंगे हम. We will make sure that our energy requirements are met, even though our requirement is कितनी है 85%. We are dependent on imports for crude.
The minister also hit out at Rahul Gandhi for saying people should tank up as the government will increase prices now that the elections are over. There has been no increase in petrol and diesel prices since December 2021, even though crude prices are now up 35 to 40%.
एक हमारे युवा नेता हैं, वो अक्सर ये कहते हैं कि अपना जल्दी टैंक भरवा लीजिए, जल्दी टैंक भरवा लीजिए, अब चुनाव तक टाइम है, चुनाव तो खत्म हो गया.
So just why has the rupee weakened significantly and hit an all-time low? The consistent surge in oil prices due to the Russia-Ukraine war is likely to increase India's oil import bill. And remember, India imports nearly 80% of its fuel needs. And the rupee is one of the worst performing currencies among Asian markets currently. Some experts feel the rupee could continue to weaken and even hit 80 rupees to the dollar. Others indicate the RBI can intervene aggressively and limit the downside of the currency.
The combination of high oil prices and weak Indian rupee is quite dangerous because it can lead to high inflation over here. To prevent that, I expect RBI to intervene and sell dollars aggressively to limit the downside of the rupee around 79 levels over the coming days.
Apart from those fearing a fuel rate hike and a rise in transportation costs, a weaker rupee is also hurting all those who are seeking education abroad. The spike in oil prices and a weakening rupee intensify India's inflation risks at a time when the country is already battling retail inflation over 6%. Sakshi Bajaj for NDTV.